Hey yo, ladies and metal gen, welcome back to the channel. So there's been a lot of hype around Rust, and many of the big tech giants are moving their code base to Rust. For example, Discord, Meta, and Cloudflare have been migrating all of their code to Rust, and recently, Bun, the biggest Node.js competitor, has also shifted its focus from Zig to Rust. I don't know why, and now I am also climbing on the choo-choo train of Rust, trying out Dioxus. That's a one-trick pony, but that one trick does a lot of things. So let me show you. Okay, so this is Dioxus, one code base for every platform. So you just have to write Rust code, and then you can serve your app on mobile, desktop, and on web. So if you want to just install Rust, you have to install Rust from copy this. This is the best command. This is the bash command, which I would prefer to use because this will always give you the latest updates. And also configure path with installing Rustup, because we'll be using Rustup to install these two uh, packages. And access CLI is also a simple bash command, or you can go to the hard way of installing it using cargo. Once the setup is done, it might take some time because all of these are the foundation of Dioxys, which would be help you to serve your app on all platforms. And once you install, just go to a terminal and see that you have a Dioxys installed with DX version. So I already have it installed. And when you write DX new and then a folder name, it would first prompt you. We would go to jumpstart. Then also Dioxys gives you full stack capabilities, but for now we won't use it. Router, sure. Tailwind CSS, sure. Prompts now. And this is the magic moment. So I would choose mobile. And if I go to video, and it will take some time to configure everything. This is fetching cargo metadata, because if you right now do dx serve, it would wait for cargo metadata, which will be fetched in a couple of time, creating a target and all. And once cargo metadata has been configured, a simulator will open that you would have installed using Xcode's iOS dependencies. And now the app is getting built. It will take 2 to 3 minutes for its initial build, and after that all the changes are hot reloaded, or it will take a like half a second rebuild if you change something major. So I'll just wait for this build process to get completed. All right, so the build is complete and the app has been opened on an iPhone. You see, the navbar is working. This is a fully functioning app right from Rust code. So if I go to its source code, you see in main.rs it is creating a app, which is this function, and then linking our CSS and favicon, the Rust favicon that there, and creating a router which is using this router, which is used for the navbar, and this is for iOS. Now I'm not changing anything. These is just the default code that it ships, and I'll kill this and I'll say dx serve minus minus web, and it will again take a couple of minutes. And while we are at it, I'll also serve it for desktop, so that all the build processes gets completed nearly at the same time. All right, so the web version has been built, and why is it not showing up? Right, 127 was missing there. No, the URL has been reversed. How is that possible? All right. So this is the same as what we saw for iOS. in web. So I've not changed any. This is for macOS. I've not changed anything. Not single line of code. I've just ran it using this command dx minus dx or minus web. Previously I used for iOS, and if you do it for desktop, you will get this a native macOS experience. And because this is Rust, you can also use native features like uh, changing the menu bar and all. If you are eager enough, you can look how the code is working and also read their docs, because they have a wonderful documentation uh, for building a hot dog in which you smash or pass dog images. This is just a, kind of tutorial build, and they have all, I mean, they have majority of dogs. Some dogs are missing in some places, so you can find them in the Discord channel, which is Dioxys Labs. So Dioxys Discord community is wonderful. I have asked my own doubts myself in mobile, desktop, and backend, and they answer pretty quickly. Some legends like Nico Burns are the people why Discord can be a why Discord can be a growing community for Dioxys. And that's all. Same code. Also, if you are coming from uh, TypeScript, you are aware of shared CN components. Dioxys has its own components with everything that you would have seen in shared CN. Oh, they just changed the UI. It wasn't looking like this 2 days ago. Nice. Dioxys has been growing a lot since its launch, and people like us devs can make it even bigger. If you want to try, you can read the docs, learn Rust, and create an awesome app by yourself. Or the agents can do all the heavy lifting, and you can be the product manager who is just saying, "Oh, tweak this, tweak that. I want this to be done. I want that to be done." That's all for Daxus. See you next time.